had a really aggressive 6-month timeline that was really driven by the fact that we had just signed one of the largest customers in the industry. And we had already planned to upgrade our technology regardless of that. But this bringing on board of this new customer, we really wanted to showcase our new technology with the customer. Obviously, the customer being the largest in the industry, it was really an opportunity for us to really showcase everything that we could do with the new product and the new technology. When we started on it, we were actually pretty unsure whether we could do it or not. Of course, we had a backup plan. We had a current product that we could always launch with. But it didn't seem, it seemed like we could do it. We were confident that we could do it, but we were really unsure whether that timeline could, be really realistic or not. When we started on this journey using these AI tools, there were actually a lot of these AI coding tools were pretty brand new to the market. And so we didn't really know what to expect. We had done a proof of concept on one of the parts of our product, and we were just blown away by the results of it. Essentially one senior developer was able to accomplish in 1 week, in 2 weeks, was incredible. And the output and the quality of it, matched and even surpassed in many ways some of what had taken us weeks and months to do in the past. Yeah, we expected to see significant uplift, but we just didn't know how much it was going to be going into this. And one of the things that really was a big eye-opener for us is we did a proof of concept. We took one of our senior engineers and had them build a part of our product, a new part of our product, using AI tools. And we were blown away by the results. This one person was able to develop in the course of 1 and 2 weeks a product that was incredible. It met and even surpassed our existing product feature set and build-outs that we had done in the past that had taken us months to do. So at that point, we knew we were onto something. We knew this could really work for us. And so we never really expected it to be as powerful as it became for us as we started getting into it. The actual uplift we're seeing from it is maybe 4 to 5 times the productivity gains that we see from without using these AI tools. The evolution of this AI tooling that we've been using is a really interesting story. We started out using it purely for the pure engineering and coding aspect of our SDLC, right? That has evolved significantly on its own from the way that we initially started using it to the way that we're now programmatically using it and have set up rules and guidelines for the AI to work faster and to understand our technology. But the really interesting part is how we've been able to take the successes we've had from the engineering aspect of it and move it into other parts of the SDLC, such as on the product management side, creating requirement documents using AI has been a tremendous boost for us. And also we're seeing the same thing on the QA side. Our QA team being able to leverage AI to build QA automation, to build better test cases, to execute those test cases, and really just improve the quality of what we do throughout. I mean, these AI toolings have been really incredible for us. We now use it in pretty much the entire SDLC from start to finish, and the gains and the quality have just been amazing. Yeah, I think even though we've seen these benefits from the AI tooling, I don't think you couldn't just roll out these AI tools anywhere and expect the same type of success. At least that's the experience that we've seen. It really takes an engineering team that understands AI and how it works to really leverage it. I've seen AI projects not work at all. Because the people that are using it expect too much out of it or expect it to do things that it can't do without understanding of it and really having high quality engineers that understand what the output should look like and what the input should be to get that output. And so it really does require a team that understands AI and how AI fundamentally works to be able to extract these gains from these tools. And we found that here in the Talentica team, that the engineering team and especially the engineering leadership here really understood those fundamentals and were really able to put together a program and trained the engineering staff to use those tools appropriately. And that's what's really led to our success with it. Yeah, so the talent that we're getting from Talentica, the AI native talent, the engineering talent here, in my mind, there's really no comparison to traditional development. The way that they were able to leverage the tools is really sort of in a league of its own compared to traditional development. I am convinced, and we've seen the actual output from this work that we've been collaborating with them on. I'm convinced that there's no other way, there would have been no way to accomplish what we've accomplished in this short amount of time without having the AI native engineers working on this project. It simply was just, this is something that would have normally taken 18, 24 months to do, that we've been able to accomplish in 6 months. One of the really actually ironic things about using AI is it increased our efficiency so much on the engineering side that we were now finding that the product management and the QA aspect were having a hard time keeping up. And that's when we really said to ourselves, well, why not leverage it throughout? Let's see what we can do there. And being able to bring that these same AI tools and sort of an AI way of thinking about things into the entire life cycle. You can't just look at AI as being a small piece. You can't just say, we're just going to use AI for coding. So really embracing AI throughout is really the key to success here. And so with the successes we've seen from using AI to help re-architect our products, a big part of our new product is sort of AI at its core, so AI within the product. And the fact that we're now able to use AI to build the product as fast and with higher quality means we can spend more time thinking about how we leverage AI inside the product and how AI can help our customers. And so looking forward, our roadmap has significantly changed because of what we've seen here, what we've experienced. Because of this journey that we've been on with the team here at Talentica and the successes that we've seen from it, we really look at Talentica as a long-term partner of ours. And the fact that they now have embraced AI within their company to help us, and I'm sure other customers of theirs. Now we're looking at the Talentica team here to really help advise us on where to go with things in the future, how we can leverage AI even more. They're now doing some things that are beyond what we thought that we would do and helping bring that to what we do now and what we'll do in the future. So we're really excited about the partnership with Talentica and, of course, the success we've seen so far.